She is 102-year-old. They call her a living legend. She's also known as Mama Africa, an indigene of Agwata local government area of Anambra State. In company of some members of the Voice for Senior Citizens of Nigeria, Mama Ezeanyaeche becomes the oldest visitor of NTA's management team in recent time.
I would like to invite the
President of the association, Dr. Karo Nwosu, told the gathering that the founder of the humanitarian organization, Mama Africa, has set up various groups abroad, which include Nigerian in Diaspora Organization, Egbe Omo Yoruba, Zumunta, and World Igbo Congress. The living legend who spoke through the president said she is ready to contest for the position of president of the largest country in Africa if the younger generation are not ready.
If Nigerians are shying away from the political participation, she says she is ready to set the pace to contest.
Lolo Iyom Nonye Josephine Ezeanyaeche acknowledged balanced reportage style of the NTA.
National interest, professionalism, accuracy.
Mama Africa has received many awards for her selfless services and contributions to humanity and nation building, including the prestigious African Peace Award 2021.
If you have a male child or a female child, try to train your children to be able to surpass your own achievements.
The Director General, Yakubu Ibn Muhammad, tapped the grace of longevity and good health of the ambassador.
Mama is a patriot, Mama is a nationalist, Mama is an activist, Mama is a tribalized Nigeria, and Mama is fighting for almost everybody here.
Described as an advocate of a better Nigeria, Dr. Karo Nwosu said Mama Africa is indeed ready to lead the nation.
She already prepared every manifesto for herself. You see her in the near future, if the good one will come out to contest. And she meant it. She really feel that the country, the people of Nigeria, that she knew something have changed.
The living legend is now one of people who have indicated interest to vie for the #1 position in Nigeria come 2023. Adebola, Brooks Lane, NTA News.